Welcome to the PathWave System Design 2021 release. My name is Ian Ripke, and I'm the System Simulation Marketing Manager here at Keysight Technologies.
And my name is Peter Blood. I'm the Product Manager for PathWave System Design.
Also known as System View, PathWave System Design is Keysight's premier RF and baseband system modeling platform. With unique RF and cross-domain simulators, numerous digital and RF component models, and reference libraries built on Keysight's test and measurement IP, PathWave System Design is your fundamental simulation environment to architect, design, and verify your next innovation. The 2021 release is one of our biggest releases ever, with new simulation technologies, improvements to key features, new examples, and updates to our industry-leading reference libraries. Thanks for joining us for a brief overview, and we're sure you'll find exciting features to help with your current and future designs. Let me turn you over to Peter, who will go into more detail about some of the features in this release.
Thanks, Ian. We've grouped the new features and updates into 5 main areas: phased array, RF system modeling, radar and EW, platform, and wireless libraries. The first area is phased array. With defense applications moving to active, electronically steered arrays and the miniaturization of existing architectures, and with commercial wireless specifications adopting beamforming and millimeter wave frequencies, enhancements to our phased array analysis were core to this release. For applications involving very narrow beam apertures and larger element spacing, our sum of powers technique offers a ×10 speed up in swept simulations whilst allowing designers to get high-resolution sweeps over a portion of the hemisphere. We have added a new import feature from PathWave EM Design, also known as EM Pro, and PathWave ADS RF Pro. This is called Far Field I/O. Within a single file, it incorporates the patterns of multiple antenna elements, and for each element, it includes the patterns for multiple frequencies. This streamlines antenna pattern imports and simplifies the transfer of data between PathWave ADS and PathWave System Design. In large array applications such as defense radar or millimeter wave base stations, the use of subarray architectures is critical to steer multiple beams in different directions for either target detection and tracking or for multi-user data links. With this release, you can easily configure your subarrays and measure each link independently. Our second area is RF system modeling. PathWave System Design is already the premier RF system modeling tool, but we've doubled our development efforts and have delivered 4 new features and key enhancements specifically targeted at RF system modeling. EM-Link is a brand new capability that has no equivalent in the industry. For the first time, system designers can analyze the impact of prototype board or enclosure designs on their system-level performance. By reading in a multi-port S-parameter output from a 3D EM solver, System View can model all the layout-dependent coupling paths. The tool also offers analytic capabilities to identify which interconnects are causing the most leakage power at any given point in the design, allowing for fast adjustments to layout, enclosure, and improved system performance prior to implementation. The feature works seamlessly with Keysight's RF Pro EM Solver in ADS, but also accepts inputs from other 3D EM tools. Multiple envelope is a new capability for our data flow time domain simulator. Targeted at wideband signal applications, users can now accurately model harmonics and mixer spurious from their heterodyne systems under modulated input, capturing wideband effects which correlate with frequency domain CW simulations. The RF amp behavioral model in our frequency domain simulator Spectrasys now includes the ability to accept AM/AM, AM/PM data. Using measurement science directly from Keysight vector network analyzers, this new model captures realistic gain and compression curves for use in modeling parameters such as P1dB and IP3 in RF lineup performance analysis. We continue to improve the RF Link cross-domain simulator, which connects RF modeling in Spectrasys with data flow. Updates in this release allow users to simulate zero IF architectures and compute link budget and noise performance all the way to baseband.
Thanks, Peter. Let me continue the overview with our library and platform updates. In our Radar and EW library, we have added new examples for electronic warfare in the areas of electronic support, electronic attack, and electronic protection. We have also included 3 new examples of phased array radar applications using the Analog Devices ADAR 1000 beamformer IC. There is also a new application example demonstrating how baseband link can be used by MATLAB developers to include a PathWave System Design radar subsystem in their workflow. And don't forget that for more detailed mission planning and environment modeling, we offer the SDK link to give system designers access to 4D kinematics from the System Toolkit software by AGI, an ANSYS company. The System View platform has also had several enhancements, adding initial support for Python scripting for both internal use and external simulation control. We've also added a new API for use with our PathWave ADS and PathWave RFIC design software that allows virtual test bench users to update to the latest version of PathWave System Design without having to wait for a new release of their circuit design software. Finally, we've continued to expand our capabilities of our commercial wireless libraries by staying up to date with the latest specifications. Our 5G and cellular library key features are now updated to 5GNR Release 16, keeping 5G system designers on pace with the current rollout and ready for future enhancements. We've added Bluetooth version 5.2 to our Wi-Fi and connectivity library. This enhances our update to Wi-Fi 6 in the previous release and gives connectivity chipset makers a full reference testbed for product development. Thanks for joining us for a quick overview of the PathWave System Design 2021 release, and look for more detailed updates on new key features in this release. Click on the link below to see more details of this release and to download your own copy. And if you're new to PathWave System Design, be sure to contact your local sales team for more details and to start a new evaluation.